Think you can't own a classic car without spending a fortune? Think again. Today we found 10 incredible vintage rides under $5,000, from drop-top cruisers to full-on muscle legends. Some run, some roar, and some just beg to be brought back to life. But one thing's for sure, you won't believe what number 1 looks like. Number 1. 1964 Chrysler Imperial Sedan 4-door. Here's a bold symbol of American luxury, the 1964 Chrysler Imperial Sedan. Finished in classic black with a white interior, this car runs, drives, and shifts properly, powered by Chrysler's legendary 413 V8 paired with a push-button automatic transmission. It needs some floor repair and light cosmetic attention, but the trunk pan and frame remain solid. The seller includes 2 spare transmissions and several extra parts, making it a great foundation for a hands-on restoration. It's not perfect, there's no carpet or headliner, but this Imperial has good bones and undeniable presence. At just over $3,000, it's an opportunity to own a true luxury icon without breaking the bank. Number 2. 1968 Buick Electra 225. The Deuce and a Quarter, Buick's nickname for the Electra 225, was built to turn highways into runways. This 1968 example is a barn find with a strong, solid frame and minimal surface rust on its original black paint. The chrome shines beautifully, and the interior remains largely intact, from the gauges to the headliner. Only the driver's seat shows a tear. The seller hasn't attempted to start it, but with clean title in hand and a body this straight, it's a perfect base for restoration. A big, elegant cruiser from the golden age of American steel. Number 3. 1969 Mercury Montego MX Sedan 4-door. This 1969 Mercury Montego MX brings together late 60s styling and the reliable punch of Ford's 302 V8 engine. The car runs and drives great, with a recently replaced ignition system and brake components. There's some bubbling on the roof and a bit of rust, but nothing serious. It does need tires and some exhaust work, yet mechanically it's sound. Finished in blue over black, it has a confident stance and clean lines, a budget-friendly project with solid mechanicals already in place. Number 4. 1962 Chrysler Newport 4-door sedan. All original and waiting for revival. That's the story of this 1962 Chrysler Newport. Powered by a 331 V8 and featuring Chrysler's iconic push-button transmission, the car has been sitting in a barn for the past 12 years. It doesn't currently run, but the body is straight, the interior remains good, and all the key components are intact. It even comes with its original keys, good tires, and a clean title. For a patient restorer, this Newport is an untouched time capsule from the early days of Chrysler's space-age styling. Number 5. 1959 Ford Edsel 500 2-door sedan. Here's a piece of automotive history that's both infamous and iconic. The 1959 Edsel 500 runs and drives, powered by a 6-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission. The seller's already done a lot of the heavy lifting: new Coker tires, new front springs, lowered rear suspension, and custom taillights. The floors and trunk are solid, and the car even includes spare parts. It's a rare opportunity to bring back one of the most misunderstood classics of the late 50s, quirky, stylish, and unmistakably Edsel.
6. 1959 Volkswagen Beetle. A true people's car. This 1959 VW Beetle is an original numbers-matching example, with its body, pan, and engine all in sync. It runs and drives, though the brakes need attention. The interior has been redone, with tidy seats and decent door panels, while the classic beige paint captures that vintage European charm. The seller even includes extra metal channels and A-pillars for an additional $700, perfect for anyone ready to take on a fun restoration. It's a simple, honest Beetle that still has plenty of life left in it. 7. 1965 Mercedes-Benz 190 DC. Elegant, durable, and distinctly German, the 1965 Mercedes-Benz 190 DC embodies quality engineering from a bygone era. This diesel-powered sedan features a 4-speed manual column shifter and shows just over 30,000 miles on the odometer. It runs and drives with a rebuilt brake booster and brand new tires installed in September 2024. The rear brake shoes need to be fitted, but a new set is already included. Finished in white with a striking red interior, this car blends vintage sophistication with Mercedes' reputation for longevity. 9. 1966 Ford Thunderbird Coupe. Few cars say American luxury like the Ford Thunderbird. This 1966 coupe still carries its elegant long hood, short deck proportions, and distinctive styling. The car starts and moves under its own power, though it has a blown head gasket. The body is straight, the title is clean, and it's perfect for someone who wants a stylish restoration project with tons of personality. It's the kind of car that looks fast even when standing still. 10. 1966 Plymouth Fury 3. Here's a full-size muscle-era cruiser, the 1966 Plymouth Fury 3. Powered by a 318 Poly V8, this car runs, but it needs work on the floor pans and brakes. The bright red paint still catches the eye, and the overall structure remains solid. It's a fantastic project for someone looking to blend classic Mopar attitude with daily driver practicality. With a little effort, it could easily roar back to life. Number 10. 1966 Chrysler 300 two-door hardtop. Bold, red, and built to command respect, the 1966 Chrysler 300 is a classic example of muscle luxury design. Under the hood sits a 383 V8 paired with an automatic transmission, while inside you'll find sporty bucket seats in white. This two-owner car was running when parked and remains a strong candidate for restoration. With its solid body and powerful stance, it's a perfect choice for anyone wanting to revive a true American Grand Tourer. And there you have it, 10 amazing classics that prove you don't need deep pockets to own a piece of automotive history. Each of these machines tells a story of design, ambition, and the American dream on four wheels. Which one stole your heart? Was it the thunderous Chrysler 300, the humble VW Beetle, or that sleek 66 Thunderbird? Drop your favorite in the comments below. And if you'd rescue one of these forgotten legends, hit that like button and subscribe for more classic car finds every week. Until next time, keep the wheels turning and the legends alive.